Now on to the main course. So this week, yeah, we're still going down that sort of European kind of route, I suppose. We've got some chicken leg, roast chicken leg, some roast fennel, then we've got like a pearl barley in some broth. We've got some lovely greens from Hare Hill. We've got some Neal's Yard crème fraîche and like a tarragon oil on there. And then we've got some garlic, parsley and lemon. Okay, first thing, we need to get our oven bits in. So the oven's on, it's quite hot, it's about 190 to 200. Put the chicken in. Just turn it all up the right way, so the crispy sides are on top. And then in goes our fennel. And there'll be a few onions and other bits in with the fennel from the roasting. And I'm just going to put a little bit of olive oil on, just so it doesn't go too dry. Okay, and that's going to go in the oven. It's going to be a good 15 minutes at a hot temperature. In the meantime, we'll sort our pearl barley out. So that's going to go straight in the pan. Like that. And we'll put it on a medium sort of heat and bring it up to the boil. Right, so the pearl barley and the broth is looking like it's boiling pretty much, and the oven is sizzling and starting to look nice and crispy. Because now this is bubbling, I'm going to pop my greens in. And they'll pretty quickly wilt down. And leave that on a real low heat for now. Got a nice big spoon. So try and get some of that greenery out. And then we'll pour our broth over the top of that. The chicken out. Looks nice and sizzling. Okay, so I think first of all, let's get our fennel on to one side, I think. And we'll get our thigh piece on too. And then perhaps lean the chicken up in there maybe. It's quite a big legs these were, so I don't know if yours will be quite as big as this, but we'll see. Something like that. And then we'll just take some of those onions and dot them around. Okay, next up. So, I think I'm just going to go in like this. Just a little bit to go on there. Finally,